So welcome back to my channel once again, and today is really special day for me because today I'm going to bringing my first conversation video, and to make it even more memorable and beautiful we have amazing guest with us, Mahima ma'am. So hello Mahima ma'am, how are you doing today?
Yeah, hello. I am doing great, and I am buzzing with energy, full of energy, because I am in front of you right now and talking to a wonderful lady.
Okay, thank you. And yeah, let's before dive into the session, could you please introduce yourself little bit to everyone?
Yeah. Sure. Yeah, it's my pleasure. Thank you so much for having me. I am Mahima Srivastava, joining you from Kanpur, and with academic background in home science and education through my MSc BA degrees. I have always believed in the transformative power of learning. My husband is retired. We are blessed with two wonderful daughters. Both are successful professionals now. After successfully fulfilling my core family responsibilities, I dedicated myself to, I choose to dedicate myself mm, in a long cherished milestone, achieving fluency in English. Apart from learning English, I love dancing, cooking, painting, and interacting new people from different backgrounds. For me, education does not stop with a, with earning a degree. I am still learning, still growing, enjoying every moment of my beautiful journey. That's all from my side.
Amazing introduction, Mahima ma'am. Beautiful. Okay, so this is our first video. So let me introduce myself too for our audience. So yes, I am Priti Tiwari. I come from Indore, Madhya Pradesh, where I born and brought up. I have a nuclear and beautiful family. And regarding my education, I did my graduation in English literature, and I also hold a diploma in stenography. By profession, I work as a back office assistant manager in export division. And yeah, I'm a pretty simple person, and my only real love is reading books. So you can easily find me wherever there are books. So yeah, this is pretty much about me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am. So my first question is to you that how and when did you start your English speaking journey?
Yeah. First of all, I would like to share a real life experience.
Okay.
Uh, Long ago, actually, few years ago, not a few years ago,
Yeah, a few years back.
I, few years back, at a family gathering, when someone asked me a question in English, and I knew the answer,
Okay.
but I couldn't express my thoughts. That day, I realized the importance of how, how the that day I realized how communication skills are important. And but instead of feeling discouraged, I took it as a challenge, and I joined some WhatsApp group, started practicing on speaking sessions, and practice with co-learners, and like this I am started practicing my English. And in for me, age is not a barrier, so we can learn at any age. And I am happy that I took the first step, and I believe that where there is a will, there is a way. And I am happy with my journey.
Hmm. Amazing, amazing. So yeah, if I tell my experience about this journey, so I started my English speaking journey around 8 to 9 months ago, and actually, I was really fascinated about this language since childhood, but that time there was no any kind of atmosphere, and I am also from a Hindi medium student. Okay, so I had always a dream that one day I will become a good speaker and I will speak English fluently. So that was my dream only. But suddenly God graced me and I found an amazing WhatsApp group. And finally,
Yeah.
I joined that group and start my journey. And from that day on, I never looked back. So that is how I started my journey. So
Yeah.
now, uh, we just go ahead with second question, if you are okay.
Oh,
Okay. So
yeah.
second question is like that, Mahima ma'am, that how do you usually spend your free time? Like, what do you do in your free time? Because nowadays you
Yeah.
have ample of time. So how do you
Yeah.
spend it?
Earlier, I spent free time. I usually spend free time with my hobbies like dancing, cooking, sometimes paintings. That because that hobbies makes me feel relaxed and energetic. But nowadays scenario has changed. I am fully immersed in learning English. And English become my passion, you can say. So whenever I get time, I listen to podcast. Sometime I talk to my co-learners. Sometime I practice with Chat GPT. Use Chat GPT for vocabulary, for writing, and for improving my communication skill. Like this, I'm spending my free time.
Yeah, fantastic. And I think you are doing great because when I'm just listening to you, so I never feel that, and I don't feel that you are just hesitate and on. You are really looking confident person.
You
Okay.
always, actually, you always encourage me and motivated me.
No, actually, there are really rare person in this world. They just inspire to other person, and you also just comes in that category. That's why I complimented to you.
Oh my God, you made my day.
Thank you. So, yeah, my ma'am, do you have any question for me, or just I ask another question to you?
First, you ask, after that, I will ask.
Okay, okay, no problem. So, my third question is to you. Why do you
Yeah,
want to learn English? Like, what is the motto behind it? What is the main purpose to learn this
yeah,
language?
yeah. So, actually, I want to learn English because now, it's a global language and
Yeah.
it is very important nowadays. And earlier, I didn't take it seriously, but
Okay.
now I think it is very important because it helps to connect with the people from other countries and the culture when we go somewhere. So, and not only that we connected, it is also important for our personal growth. Mm.
Of course.
When I started my learning English, earlier I was lacked confident, but nowadays I feel more confident because of this journey, learning English. That you can say.
Yeah. For me, why is it so important to me to learn this language? So, as I told you that I work as an employee, okay, in
Yeah.
export division. So that time it becomes compulsory for me to know English fluently because in this world everyone wants to get ahead in their career, and this is the same reason why I am here and I am learning this language. But yeah, this is also true that earlier, whenever I just saw any people in the market, in everywhere, so that time, if the person speaks really fast English, fluent English, so you know what I always amazed that how can they speak English and why I'm not. So this question is always in my mind running. So I thought that yeah, if they can learn English, so I'm also can learn this language. And When I just go for first interview in my life, okay, so that time I was rejected due to this reason, to be honest, because my English was not good. Even interviewer asked me some question and he started first question, like it was first question like that. Could you please introduce yourself? So, Mahima ma'am, you won't believe I couldn't utter a single word. I just spoke like, my name is Preeti Tiwari, and I started that in Hindi. So, it was my condition that time. So, then gradually I also understood the real value of English, and somehow I just gathered the courage to speak. And yeah, when I just go for second interview, second or third, because I got rejected around 2 to 3 times, because you cannot just get command in short time, it takes time. So finally I got that job only because I could express myself in English, and that was in intro only. And yeah, finally I got that job, and now from that day on, I also polished my English every day. And yeah, and I think that nowadays I am satisfied with my journey. But I think that if I want to get promotion, if I want to get more higher position, so that time it is really compulsory for higher designated person that their English should be really fluent. So that is the reason I'm also just chasing my dream. I'm also just running in this race. So yeah, that's why I also want to learn this language. And
One day
one more.
you will achieve your goal.
Yes,
One day
yes.
you will.
And Mahima ma'am, as I can see you that you are looking really energetic and a different charm I can see on your face. So could you please tell me and give me some tips that how can you just start your day? Like what kind of activity you do? Like yoga and gym or walking? What do you do? I'm really curious to know.
Actually, I am an early bird, you can say. And
That's the thing.
I woke up early at 5 o'clock or 5:15 sometimes. And I, you can say, I kick start my day with positive mindset, positive and energy, and gratitude to the God for my new day. And after that, I give some time in my exercise or yoga, you can say. I do yoga for 20 minutes or 25 minutes, not more than that. And after that, I complete my household chores and give some time to English practice. And I always go for walk, and sometime I spend quality time with my family and friends also every day, little bit time and talking to my friends. That all things give me the energy, you can say. So that's
And
all.
I also want to be that much energized, but as you know, that I have here lots of head in my head.
Yeah,
So, I don't get
yeah,
that much time to that things like yoga and all. I am nothing into any kind of gym, walking and all because I don't get much time. So that's why I thought that there is any short way, so I can also follow that and I can be energized like you. Okay, so thank you so much for sharing your secret. Okay, Mahima ma'am. So, yeah, last question I just want to know from you that what do you usually do? Like, what kind of practice you do to make consistent yourself?
yeah.
Like,
So
what practices
first,
you follow?
yeah.
Yeah.
So earlier I do all the four pillars of learning English. That
Yeah.
is writing, reading, listening, and speaking.
Yeah.
But nowadays, yeah, I could I I don't have much time for writing actually. And I read only short articles, and sometime I write also, but not on daily basis. But I speak every day with my co-learners. Yeah. And I listen one podcast every day, like Munima Banjari and some conversational video. Every day I listen in the morning when my husband goes for morning walk. That time for half an hour I listen. Nowadays I am listening uh, Palki Sharma's videos, English videos. Earlier I couldn't understand because of advanced vocabulary, but nowadays I'm trying to listen that video, and one day I believe one day I will
Be like that.
understand. Yeah, yeah. After some times like that, practicing my English.
Okay, great, great. I also listen some of her videos. She speaks really fantastic, and how
Mm.
she just present herself, it amazing. Yeah, it will take
Yeah,
time to be that reach that level because we are
yeah.
not that much fluent and all.
Mm.
But yeah, definitely one day we
It's a
will.
long process. It's a
Yeah, it's a
long
really,
process.
yeah, it's a long
It's a long
process.
process. Yeah.
And
Mm.
yeah, now it's
Be-
your turn to
Because
ask
there
me
is a
anything.
saying, Rome was not built in a day.
Yes, yes, absolutely. I am, and I
Yeah.
100% agree with your
Mm.
statement that yes, there is a way, there is a will.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And consistency.
yeah,
Main thing is consistency.
yeah,
If you are
consistency.
consistent, yeah, so you will achieve your goal.
Yeah,
Otherwise, it is very difficult because consistency is the key to success.
yeah, definitely. Not only, we cannot say that only to English is speaking and all. It
Yeah,
implies everywhere. Like, yeah,
everywhere. Yeah.
whatever you want
If
to learn. Yes, ma'am.
and you speak, even if you get 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you have to speak in English.
Yeah.
Speaking is most important
Yes,
in learning.
yes, definitely, ma'am. And we also feel sometimes that so many people think that they can get success, they can be fluent easily if they don't speak for 1 to 3 weeks. And even I can tell you my experience that when I don't speak for 1 or 2 days, I feel really low. So yeah, you
Yeah.
also you just said it very right that consistency is major part to this
Yeah.
language. But yeah, and when I don't speak for 1 2 days, so I just get worried that now,
Yeah.
like when I just restart speaking, so that time I feel, oh, now, like automatically you feel in your
Yeah.
side that yeah, you are getting low and your confidence level automatically dropped. So this thing happens with us. So for
Yeah.
that,
And one more thing I want to say, that don't compare to others.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Don't compare. Because mm, everyone's learning skill is different. Every person is different. They have their unique qualities. So don't
Yeah.
compare to others.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Because some techniques you suit, like you follow, and it just work out for you properly. But it is not necessary that same technique I follow, and that will just I can get good results from that same
Yeah.
technique. Yes, it is because some people, I also have seen so many people that they say that they take interest to listening, and they just like improve their English by listening only. But if I talk about myself, so
Yeah.
I don't take so much interest in listening. Yes, sometimes it really works for me, but mostly time I try to read because I think when I read, so many things I learn easily. So every person has their own perception and different
Yeah.
techniques just work out for every different person. So
Yeah.
absolutely true.
Earlier, Yeah, earlier I didn't like reading. Reading was
Okay.
not my cup of tea. But nowadays I am trying to read the small articles and well, it is very helpful.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
And I also believe actually I'm the kind of person who really love to reading. So, but
yeah, yeah.
initially when my mom, when I started reading books and all, any kind of article, I felt like sleeping whenever I just try to read something. Okay, so that time I feel that yeah, I'm feeling so
Yeah, yeah.
I pushed myself a lot. After that, that habit I finally inculcate in my life. So finally, I love to reading a lot. Otherwise, initial days, if I talk about fresh person, okay, they are not into in reading and they start their journey from reading. So I think it won't work easily because reading is a kind boring. Like everyone,
Yeah,
firstly, they don't show their interest in reading, but yeah, once they just set their target, no, we have to learn at least one or two page in a day. Okay, no matter what they are, you are getting the vocabs and all, but just set your target that we have to read one and two page. So automatically your interest start developing, and finally you can read everything without boring, without
yeah.
getting boring.
And because of you, I started reading books.
Great,
You
great.
always-
Actually, my mom, to be honest, why I just got into this reading practice, because entire day I spend like in the morning I always rush into the my household chores, like my
Yeah,
children's and my household
mm,
chores, like finally breakfast, then
yeah,
lunch and all. Once I just go to the office, after that I don't get so much time so that I can speak there. So that's why I
yeah,
found myself that yeah, reading is best for me, because
mm,
nothing is better than something. So I thought that what whenever I get time I will try to speak, but meantime
mm.
whatever time I have I should just give. So that was the way I found very useful for me, reading. So that's why I just started reading.
And one thing I want to ask you that
Yeah, sure.
you are a working professional.
Yes, ma'am.
You have a YouTube channel,
Oh,
and
yeah.
yeah, and you are also learning English. So, how do you balance your work life, your family life, and your YouTube channel English? All this, how do you balance all
Yes,
these
yes,
things?
definitely, ma'am. Yeah, so to be honest, it is never be like it always be challenging for me when actually, before learning started my this journey, I always engaging in my household chores and my office tasks and all. Okay, and that was the same time I didn't get time for my extra things. Okay, I just finished. I always try to finish my all tasks in at home than my office. But one day I thought that I'm not getting time for myself to learn this language. So first thing I would like to say thanks to my family, because my family is really supportive. So that is the reason I can think to go outside and work. And yeah, they are really helpful. They always just stand by me always. I never feel that I am alone in my journey, because whenever I need them, they always just come, and like I never feel that I'm alone. So one day when I just joined that WhatsApp group, so first initially I didn't find time to join that WhatsApp group, and as you know that it is really necessary if you want to learn this language and if you want to speak. So you have
Yeah,
to speak first, otherwise you cannot learn this language. So I discussed with my husband, then I told him I don't get time for myself because entire day I just do all the things, and now I want to learn this language. So you suggest me how can I just manage time. So he just explained me that whatever time you choose for your study and your speaking, so that time no one will disturb you. He assured me. So that thing I cannot forget in my entire life because he supported me. So he already assured me that no one will disturb you. So finally I particularly choice like choose uh, a specific time for my study, and I always try to be on that time for my speaking journey. And now my childrens are already grown up, so they don't that much need of me because they both are like finally grown up, but not that much grown up, but little bit, so they can manage everything by themselves. And my mother-in-law, she is really supportive. So sometimes it happens that you don't get time for your other household chores because there are so many tasks in your house. So you definitely need a person's support. So she is always there for me, and my husband, I don't have any word for him. And so that is how I try to manage all the things, my mama.
You are
And
lucky.
finally I succeed.
Yeah, you are lucky
Yeah.
that you have supportive family. And
Yeah.
I am also lucky that my family always encouraged and motivated me, especially my husband and my daughters. They always encourage.
That is why you are here and your English is so good. Because without family support, you cannot do anything, my ma'am.
Anything,
Because,
yeah.
if you imagine, like, if we want to start our journey and our family, some family, we always
Yeah.
just see that when their wives want to do something new, they strictly refuse that what's the need to
Yeah.
learn this language and all, not about this language, anything they want to do in their
Anything,
career. So
yeah.
they never just give support, and they strictly I have seen real example of my friend. She wanted to do something in her career, and when she asked her husband, so strictly he refused strictly that there is no need to do. Even he didn't ask that what she wanted to do. So I was really amazed that how can be a people like that. So for that thing, we are really lucky that we have supportive family and we are just able to chase our dream properly. So yes, this is absolutely true, whatever you said. So now, you tell what should we do? If you have any question, so we can go with that. Otherwise, we both, because today is Sunday and our family members are also waiting for us. So so if you are agree, so we just wrap up this session. Okay, so finally, Mahima ma'am,
It
one
was
thing.
wonderful.
Yeah.
It was wonderful. I enjoyed it a lot.
Yes, ma'am. I also enjoyed it a lot, and when I
Today you
just
are looking.
yes, ma'am.
Today you are looking very beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your beautiful words. So one thing I just want to tell in last that Mahima ma'am, you are really amazing person, and I always inspired by you. Whatever you see, whatever you say, and I always get energy from you. I always just feel that whatever you say, it gives me motivation. So, it is really important to be surrounded by those people. They motivate you. So, you are the person who really motivates me. So, thank you so much, ma'am,
Thank you
for
so
joining me.
much. Same here.
So, I enjoyed a lot. So, have a good day ahead, ma'am.
Thank you.
Happy
Thank you. God
Sunday.
bless you.
Thank you so
Happy
much, ma'am.
Sunday.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay.
Have a nice day.